Welcome back our 4th standard computer science online class. Today we are discuss page number 65, the one words and 4 question answer. These one words and question answers are based on chapter 5 and 6. Okay. The first section, multiple choice question. The first one, red way underlined mean that there are. Answer option A, spelling errors. Second one, which type of word contains spelling and grammar option? Answer option A, review tab. Then third one, what does add button on spelling task pan add the word to? Answer option B, dictionary. Then fourth one, which group of home tab contains new slide command? Answer option A, slides group. Then section B, true or false. The first one, slideshow view shows slide as it will be shown to the final audience or spectators. Answer true. Second one, the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus H opens the replace tab of find and replace dialog box. Answer true. Third one, replace command is part of home tab editing group. Answer true. Then fourth one, drop cap feature is part of insert tab illustration group. Answer false. Then section C, fill in the blanks. First one, pressing Ctrl plus M in PowerPoint will dash a slide after the one slide in focus. Answer create. Second one, when you open MS PowerPoint, a slide known as dash slide open up. Answer title. Third one, the dash is used to run useful commands with a single click. Answer quick access toolbar. Then fourth one, the dash pan in PowerPoint contains the slide being worked on presently. Answer slide. Then fifth one, find command is part of dash tab. The fifth one, find command is part of dash tab. Answer home. All of you complete the question one words mark. Okay, next to mark the question answer. The first question, explain the slide shorter reading and slideshow views in PowerPoint. These questions page number 58 and 59. So all of you take for book page number 58 and 59. The first one, slide shorter view. This is page number 58. This view is not really meant for editing. It is the best for deletion and rearrangement of slides. Another advantage of this view is that all the slides of your presentations are available in the temp line size. Okay, the next one, reading view. This is page number 59. This view hides the non-essential elements of a screen like tabs, groups, pans, and allows a single almost full screen view for the slides. Next, slideshow view. This is the view of slides of the presentation as it will look when we being shown to the final audience or spectators. After every final stage of slides presentation, this view should be checked. Okay. Then second question, what are the steps to be taken to save your presentation. This question page number 60 and 61. So take workbook page number 60. The step to save your presentation are as follows. The first step, click on the File tab. The Backstage view appears. Then step 2, click on the Save As option. The Save As dialog box open up. Then step 3, type the file name by which you want to save the presentation in the file name box. Then step 4, click on the Save button. Then third question, what is a thesaurus? Answer page number 44. Thesaurus is a completion of words followed by their synonyms and sometimes antonyms. MS Word has inbuilt thesaurus which gives alternative for words and also synonyms. Then last question, how do you use the inbuilt thesaurus feature in Word? This question page number 44. Answer, to use the thesaurus, follow the given step. First step, select the word for which we want to use synonyms or sometimes antonyms. Then step 2, click on the Review tab. Then step 3, click on the thesaurus in the grouping group. The thesaurus taskbar will appear on the right side of the screen. Then step 4, we can view various synonyms or sometimes antonyms for the typed word. Select the word in the right pane. The fourth point la யூன்னு இருக்கிறத வீண் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கோங்கம்மா. Next fifth point, right click on the word, a list of options will appear. Click on the insert option. From the list, the selected word will get replaced with the new word. All of you mark the question answers, ma. Okay, thank you.